Excellent, guys. How was the reading? Good, bad, difficult? Did you circle all the verbs? I hope that you did. So right now, this is the second video and we're going to continue. So on Scrabble, we have different letters in here. The letters are not in order, so you need to look and to identify what word it is. Yes? Example, O-H-S-U-E. What word is that? I'm gonna give you a clue. Remember what word it is? House. So I'm gonna put you some words and you're gonna have 30 seconds or 30 seconds to identify what word it is. You're going to unscramble the letters and you're gonna put it in a beautiful word. Okay, so in your paper, in your notebook, in one part you're gonna put unscrambled, you're gonna put one in the same paper, en el mismo papel de hace rato, en la misma hoja. Number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. In here, you are going to write like this. Okay? First, like this, and then the correct answer. So we're going to continue with the number 1. The number 1 is an example, it doesn't count. So right now we're gonna go with the number 1. Ready? Perfect, guys. So the number 1 is S-W-T-A-C-H-E. Go. 30 seconds. Okay, guys, time. Now we're gonna continue with the number 2. Excellent, guys. So this is the number 2. Z-P-C-I-A. So right now you are going to unscramble this word. Go. Excellent, guys. Time. We're gonna go with the number 3. Ready? Okay, guys. Excellent. So the number 3 is C-B-A-R-I-N-L. So you have 30 seconds. Go. Perfect, guys. Time's up. And now the number 4 and the last one. Ready? This is the number 4 and the letters are F-E-C-O-F-E. So 30 seconds. Go. Time's up. Very good, guys. Now let's continue with the next activity, shall we? Excellent, guys. So right now we're going to open our books in the Big English book, in this book, and we're gonna open on the page 99. In this page, page 99. You got it? Go, open. Excellent. So we're going to do the activities, all right? And you're going to complete. I'm going to tell you the instructions and you're going to do it. Very, 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 very good. First, in the page, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4, okay? Today, we are going to complete the number 1, the number 11, and the number 12. 1 and 2. That's it. The number 13, no. Okay, we're not gonna do that today. Only this one and this one. So very good, we're gonna start. Try to do this with pencil, because if you do it with pen and you get something wrong, it's very difficult to erase. So if you do it with pencil, it would be very, very useful and better, okay? So we're gonna read the tip. Tip: to form the passive, use the simple present or past form of the verb with the past participle of the main verb. It's just the formula that I told you about, so don't worry. So 11. Put the words in order to write statements. We have number 1, Switzerland, in, made, watches, are. Those words are not in order. We need to accommodate the words in the correct order to make a sentence or a statement using the passive voice. So we have Switzerland, in, made, watches, are. You have to put it in the right place. I'm going to do an example and then you do the rest of the numbers. Example, China are houses built, right? In. So this is the sentence, but the sentence is not in order, so we need to accommodate. So how can we accommodate? Well, first of all, we're gonna put houses, houses are or houses in. Houses are built, the past participle, in China. You know, houses are built in China. So that you're going to do with the number 1, in the number 2, in the number 3, and in the number 4. In the number 2, it says bananas in Ecuador are grown. The number 3, it says was the made pizza first Italy in. And the number 4 is they were noodles first China in made. So do the activity number 11 and then we're gonna do number 12, but wait, first the 11 and then the 12. Go. Excellent, guys. So for the activity number 1, 2, 3, and 4 of the activity 11, I'm gonna give you, you can pause the video and complete and then continue, okay? Because right now we're gonna continue with the next activity. So if you want, pause and then play it back. Excellent. So now we're going to do the activity number 12. It says write sentences. Use the simple present form of the verb in passive. So in the book you have one word, the line, and parentheses. What are we gonna do? We're going to create a passive sentence. Example, make. What is the past participle of make? Made. So toys, plural, are made in Portugal. Okay? So you are going to complete those sentences depending on the is or are and the past participle. Sheep is plural, so sheep are. Diamonds are, etc. Pottery, coffee, rubber, and you're gonna put the past participle and the verb is or are. Okay? If you don't know if it's plural or singular, check on the internet and look for it. Okay? So right now we're doing the 11 and 12. At the same thing, pause, complete, and then continue with the video. Okay guys, so the video and then the video number 2 is over. So you're gonna do an activity. What are you going to do? You guys are going to go to a web page and it's a game, okay? And in that game, you are going to practice the verbs in the past. You're gonna practice the verbs in the past, but the irregular verbs. You are not going to put the past participle, okay? The gone, the built, the broken, no, only the past, the verbs in the second column, okay? We're gonna practice that and I'm gonna show you an example and I'm going to explain, and you're going to complete the activity, and at the end you're gonna take a picture with your cell phone of the score, and the score you're gonna put it on Facebook. So I'm gonna show you how you are going to do it, okay? Remember that is past simple, the present, the past, and past participle, this one in the middle, only the past, okay? Only the past. So this is the page. You're gonna play.
Drag and drop the correct missing word.
Very good. Next. Close. So what are you going to do? You need to select the option and drag to it. The students were late for class, which made their teacher unhappy. You have like 25 seconds or 30 and you need to complete, okay? If it's incorrect, and then you drag it to the sentence and then submit.
You are awesome.
And you're going to practice all the questions, okay? But remember that it's in the past simple, okay? Past simple, not past participle. In the next class, we're gonna practice the past participle, but right now we have to remember only the past, okay? So that is activity, and remember to put the picture on Facebook.